much do online tutors earn? Is it 50,000 naira a month, or can they realistically make up to 1 million naira monthly? Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about how much online tutors make, and I'm going to break it down from beginner to like full-time income experience for you, and how tutors actually make their money. So there is no fixed income to it, or there's no fixed price to it, but let's see how much the possibility of the amount of money, based on my own experience and from experience of those who have been around me. Let's see how much online tutors make. And just in case this is your first time here, my name is Miss Blessing, and this is I Teach with Miss B, and I teach teachers how to teach online, and I help you thrive and grow in the online space. So if you want to transition from the physical classroom to the online classroom, or learn how to manage both, my channel is the best place to start. And we're going to be talking about different things that has to do with money. Yeah, I like money a lot. So we're going to look at how much online tutors earn today, and let's look at it, right? So it's very important that your expectation should be set. Now, I want to let you know one thing, right? I want to let you know one thing. Teaching online is not a get rich quick scheme. If you're thinking that, oh, you're going to just do it and then you make money, get rich, no. Teaching online is not a get quick rich scheme. If you watch my videos, I said the first amount of money I earned as an online teacher is 5,000 naira per hour, which is 80,000 naira a month. Okay, so until I started growing and scaling. So if you are here and you think that, oh, let me just join because of the money, my dear, you will not make it. But it can become a very profitable business if you position yourself rightly, and that is why I'm here to help you, to teach you how to position yourself so you can make money as an online tutor. Okay, so let's break this down. Let's start from beginner level. For now, the beginner level, let me say, is within like 3 to 6 months, or 3 to 6 months, or they're about 3 to 6 months. Now, at the beginning, most tutors usually fall into this category. You might be working for a company, you might be teaching a group class, you might be earning your local currency. For example, 3,000. When I started, I think my one-on-one class was 3,500, and then the group class was like 5,000. So you are in between the range of 3,000 to 10,000 naira per hour, and that's where I started, right? And will I say I still won't take some of those jobs, but not in large scale again, right? But here's the thing: if you stay at this level, your income will continue to remain small. You will pack classes. You pack classes, and then nothing is going to show because your money is not still going to come out. But where it happens is when you go to the next level. However, I have trainees that I have trained, and in the space of 3 months, they're earning up to 500,000, 600,000 within 3 months. Yes, there's a particular trainee I have. I'm sure she's going to watch this video and she'll be laughing. There's a particular trainee I have that when she started in January. By January, she started in December. December, she earned like 60,000 or so. By January, she earned like 300k. By February, her money has entered 500. In March, this March now, her money is going to 600,000. So it's very possible for you to make money as an online tutor, but you will have to put in the work if you are still charging or you are still earning, making it with small money. Okay, so let's go to level 2. Level 2 is like when you say maybe 9 months, 6 to 9 months, right? And this is where things begin to change. You have now gotten a lot of experience. You've gotten one-on-one students. You're beginning to attract people online. That's if you're positioning yourself well, or you've begun to attract people online. You're working with international parents, and that is where your money begins to increase. At this point, maybe you're now charging at 10,000 naira per hour, 15,000 naira per hour, as the case may be, maybe 20,000 naira per hour. Some people are actually doing that. So this is where, like, within the 3 to 9 month stage, maybe, but I would say it's within 9 months, it's hard for people to even charge 20,000. Let me just stick to the one I know. I know that you'll be between the 10,000 naira to like 15,000 naira rates. Okay, if you are charging at that point, because you have gained experience and you've positioned yourself well as an authority online. So people that are coming online, they know that this is what this person can do and this is how this person teaches. Okay, now let's go to the third level. Third level is like full-time tutors, people that are no longer doing half and half, like you're teaching physical and then no, this one you have now become a full-time tutor. You have consistent clients, you have strong positioning, you have a clear niche, and this is where you can now begin to earn the big bulk of money, because now you are known as a strong authority online. Now, depending on your pricing and the number of students and how you market yourself, that is how your money or your income increases. And you have those who have actually scaled, like those who already have companies where they can now create group classes, they have increased their rates, they've built systems. Now this is where you as the tutor, you can relax, and then they're outsourcing the jobs and all of that. This is what we call scaling. At this point now, you will now begin to earn, I know some people that earn up to 18 million in a month, some earn up to 20 in a month, like that, right? These ones now, you know that you're not the one doing the job, teachers are doing the job, and all you need to do is just get the clients for the teachers, and then you take your own part of your money. That's what we call scaling, right? Because you are no longer trading your time for money alone. Now let's talk about what determines your income. Now there are a lot of things that determine your income. So if you're wondering where some tutors how some tutors make money more than others, this is where the catch is. Number one, your audience. Are you targeting local students or are you targeting international students? Remember in the last video, I talked a lot about you positioning yourself and posting the right content to the audience that you're looking for. Okay, so your audience is very important. Number two, your niche. I've said this over and over again. Exam classes have a bulk, is where money, you are sleeping on exam classes, you're sleeping on money, right? So you have to learn how to teach exam classes. They pay more than general teaching. So teach exam classes. So your niche, what is your niche? If you're teaching maths, you're teaching exam classes, or you're teaching normal reading problem, you want to help students solve reading problems, these are the things that I need you to focus on. Like, your niche is another thing that can attract clients to you or make you make more money. Like me, I focus on exam students a lot. Like almost all my students are exam students. Year 5, year 6, year 10, year 9. So students I want to write exams, these are the students I focus on. Year 4, year 5, year 6, yes, I focus on a lot. Then again, your visibility. Visibility is key. Hey, I've said, I don't know, but I just keep hammering on visibility. Are you showing up on platforms like your Facebook, your Instagram, your LinkedIn? Please show up. I would want you to show up. You could even do YouTube videos where it's drop teaching tips, right? Your visibility is another thing that also brings clients to you. Now the next one is your confidence in pricing. A lot of tutors undercharge, not because they are not good, but because they are not confident enough to charge their value or state their value and charge based on their value. So this is another reason why people are not making, or tutors are not making money. Now let me say it clearly. You cannot expect international income when you are not well positioned. And how do you position yourself? You show up differently from the way other people show up. Speak to your right audience. Okay, positioning yourself as a solution giver or as an expert. Okay, so these are the things that I would want you to look out for when you are preparing yourself for your when you're preparing yourself to show up online. Now for real tutors earnings, let me say, for people that are just starting out, you could be earning within 200 to 300,000 naira in a month, depending on, like I said, depending on who you're working for and the amount of money that they're paying you. They cannot be paying you 3,000 naira per hour and you are expecting to make that amount of money in a month. You are going to pack classes until you are going to be sweating. Okay, that means you have to do like 100 classes for you to make 300,000. So you have to look at your pricing. I am big on this notion that it's better you even charge well and take less classes than pack classes, and then you are going to have what we call burnout. You're going to burn out. Yeah, you see your laptop and you'll be scared of opening your laptop. Okay, so here's how I can advise that you move to your next level of income. Number one, decide what level are you. Are you in the first level, people who are still working for companies? Are you in the second level, someone who is already posting? Are you in the third level, someone who has now gotten international clients? Or are you in the fourth level, someone who has scaled? Okay, decide the level that you are in now and the level you would like to be in the next 3 months. This is going to determine how you're going to push yourself to make more money. Now, from my own experience, it took me, I think my first 6 months, I earned my first 300,000 as an online teacher, and then within the next 9 months I was now able to make above 500,000 like within the next 3 months again, I made above 500,000, and that was how the income kept increasing. I'll stay this year. There's no month I had less money teaching online in my how many years of teaching. Every month there's always an increase. It's either a student adds or the money adds or something. There's always an increase. So this is me saying that you should be clear on your actions. Okay, be clear about your actions and start positioning yourself so that you can earn more as well. So if you've watched to this point, please click on the like, subscribe and share button. If you want me to guide you on how to actually make more money, please feel free. My link is in my bio. Reach out to me. I have videos that teaches teachers how to teach online. The tools, the games, all you need, they're here on my channel. Just go ahead, watch the videos and learn how to position yourself as a tutor. Okay. I have also what's it called, a book, the online tutoring blueprint. Go ahead, join my membership. All of these things are important that are going to make you also grow and thrive as a teacher as well. Okay. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again in my next video. Bye for now.